Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Chaney Chan channel. This is an unboxing of The Wolfman with Lon Chaney. Sorry if I'm butchering the name. This movie came out in 1931, 32. I think he was 32 and this was not 31. I don't know. It's the Universal Monsters. Okay, Universal Monsters. The black and white version of the Wolfman. Alright, and as you see, I got Frankenstein to go with. Yeah. Stay. So we will open it up. No, I don't have the mummy. I don't know if I'll get the mummy played by him too. I don't know. Exact same stuff as the color one. I just prefer the black and white. It was 1931, so this is homage to, yeah, right? To the black and white, right? That's why I saw got him. And you're gonna fall. Frankenstein's monster. Everyone calls him Frankenstein. Well, I guess, like, that's what you know him as, right? Sorry, everyone. So we're just gonna... There we go. And you are gonna fall. Alright, stay. Okay, so there's the front of the box. Kang, extra hands. Mean face. Looking scary in there, and then the human face. So yeah, you'll have human hands for when he turns. Yeah, and I think he comes with legs too. Yeah, they're in the back. So he comes with human legs and werewolf legs. I don't know how. It's hard. I don't know how I'm gonna display him as the wolf or as the human. I forget his name. It's been so long since I watched the movie. He comes with a bear trap, right, when they were trying to get him, and the cane. So maybe I'll display him, and then I'll change it up after. I'll display him like that, or maybe I'll see what he looks like with the cane. So that's inside the box, the picture, and there's the one side and that side, and then there's that, right? You know, he looks so sad. Maybe I'll leave him as the Wolfman. Right. So anyways, there's the barcode. Right. Alright, so without further ado, let's crack it open. Let's crack it open. Yeah, I know there's not... Oh, just in case. I did that before and I ripped a box. Sorry, excuse me. Yeah, these and the Black Series are the only boxes I keep. Yeah. So let's get the... Oh, okay. He comes with a stand. Look at that, eh? Okay. Alright, so we'll get the feet out. Okay, we won't get the feet out. And he has 5 of those stupid twist things. I don't even, do I throw out the, no, I keep these too. Yeah. The only packaging I never kept is the Turtles packaging. The movie Turtles, sorry. I don't, it's just so many. Really? You fell. So many of the cartoon, I didn't bother starting collecting them. I might get the pack with the dinosaurs. I like them. They're $25 a figure, so it's $50 for a pack. So I might pick those up. Well, I'm getting out the accessories first. Well, the reason is because, okay, the head is a bear trap. Let's see the cane. Can I get the, yep, there's the cane. Oof. First impression, it's nice. The wolf head. The cane is really, really nice. That's a nice cane. The bear trap. Is it just, yeah, oh yeah, there you go. Wow. Okay. Ah. So, move that, and then it pops up. That's cool. Functionality. Now that's freaking cool. Now that's cool. Well, this locks. So this pushes in and step, and then this snaps here. Kills you. Almost. That's really cool. Functionality bear trap. No chain, but that's cool. Alright, let's get the hands out. The 3 sets of hands. Well, it's 3. They're not 3 sets, sorry. And they came out really cool. There we go. That's done. I have no idea why they taped it. Now we'll get out the human head. See if yeah, that was easy. Maddie, this was a lot of stuff. Yeah, I've been wanting this one. Like I said, cause golly gee willikers, they glued it in here. There we go. Sorry everyone, that was rough. I might display him with this head. With the wolf head. Alright, so sorry for that. Wife told me something, I'm like doing this. Like she couldn't wait. Anyways. Alright. Okay, so there we go. That's all done. Those were easier than the Carnage figure. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to cut from this side. Yeah, this, I don't know why they made it so hard. Yeah, it's crazy. I don't know. There we go. Alright, so let's get Lon Chaney out. Yeah, sometimes it's better to open it. Okay, so really, his hands are in. Okay, there we go. Sorry, everyone. Holy crow. Wow. Yeah, I know, eh? Wow. Gosh, gee willikers, that was really... Yeah! Like what, 3 minutes. Oh, the whole, like I said, the unboxing is part of it, right? People are already done the unboxing, and I'm like, well, if you want to get entertained, you watch, right? Like, yeah, like I said, I'm putting that back in the box. There we go. Oh, wow. All right, let's get them out. I mean, the Gizzo. Let's get them a look at. So he has 2 articulation in the head. The detail, it's black and white. And wow, the claw hands, these look cool. They're really nice. Sorry, everyone. I'm just, yeah, that's tight. I like it. I really like it. Except for this stupid shiny plastic crap. But that's the back. Are you going to display a figure like this? No. I like it. I really like it. I'm glad I finally got them and opened them. Yeah. Well, the feet... The feet could have got a little more detail. Like, yeah, the human feet is better. Right, look at that. Okay. This, it's too... Yeah. Should have done that. Look. The toes are separated. Pretty much, almost, on both of these feet. Okay. Why didn't they separate them, like, here? Who knows? But, anyways. Oh, first impressions. This is a 10 out of 10. Right now. I like it. This is good. I really, really like this. Yeah. Well, he's short. Frankenstein's monster has to be tall. And it's black and white. Why is he more gray? He's more light gray and he's dark gray. Well, I guess because he's alive. He's not. I don't know. But anyways, so... Oh, there we go. That was easy. So as you see, there's a ball joint, of course. And then he has 2 articulations. So... He looks so sad. They all have 2 articulations. Yeah. Let's see this head. Yeah, I gotta try and get it on there. So, alright, there we go. That's on there. Ooh, yeah, I think I'm gonna display them like that. Yeah, I'm gonna display them like that. I like that a lot. Yeah, he's gonna need the stand. He's falling. Oh, I see. Okay, so his toe is... Yeah, okay. But I like it. I like it. I really, really like it. This is going in a box. I like it. That's really cool. Frankenstein, no, I like this basic. I like the calm. He's gentle, right? And there's no fire, so he's gentle. Gentle giant. But yeah, I like this. That looks cool. It's... I don't... Alright, I guess I'll... Wow. I don't want to put the... I don't want to put these on. I don't want to do that. I really like it. That's the thing. I like... I'm just really impressed. Yes, it's out of the ballpark. How I have it now. It's like 100% out of the ballpark. That is just too freaking awesome. Like, all around. This is just too awesome. I love it. So that's... Yeah. Alright, well, I guess for you guys are going to want to see. So we'll take them apart. We'll take them apart. Nice shorty. Yes, twist and pull. Do not pull. Always twist and pull. Because if you just pull, I've seen it happen. They break. And look. It's the invisible man. It's the invisible man. It's the invisible man. Yeah, I might pick them up. I saw NECA advertise. They're doing all the monster. Well, not all. They haven't announced the creature from the Black Lagoon yet. The Mummy, I might pick it up. But yeah, I'll probably pick up Black and White. My favorite is Dracula. Yeah, he's coming out in January. And yes, I might get both versions. I don't care. I'm getting the color version first. I don't care. Okay, so there you are. There's that. Yeah, check and see if it's putting the right feet in. No, yeah, I'm putting the cane on, remember? So we're gonna... I like how easy it is to put these in. They're not hard or anything. Oh yeah, he's holding it like this. Yeah, there you go. And his other hand with a, there you go. There's the Wolfman without everything. And the cane. Yep. So yeah, he's looking at the cane in the picture. He has it like this, and he's looking down like that, right? Well, kind of same image, right? And then there's the one where he's transforming. It's like, okay. Right, and then you just pop this out, and then you put this in, this hand. And it's like, why? 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 Cause you were bitten by a werewolf. So we're gonna, yes. We're doing it quickly. Whoops. Almost was gonna put that. Yes, I was gonna almost put that in the right, left foot in the right peg. I just love how they made this so easy. Like everything, it's pop. It's easy just to transform it, right? Yeah, of course it's not gonna stand. Yeah, I should have just farting left it the way it was. But there you go. Yeah, I'm leaving it like that. I don't care. All this going in a box. I'll probably display this in front. The bear trap. If it'll fit. But yeah. I love it. Amazing figure. 100%. So there you go. That was the unboxing and review of the Wolfman from Universe. Oh gosh. Haha. Told you. Didn't I say? There we go. Yep. Again, that was the Wolfman from the movie The Wolfman, 1931-32. Played by, there you go, Ultimate Wolfman from Universal Monsters. And please don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe all in the description below. Yeah, please share the video if you liked it, or hopefully you liked it. And be well, and this is the way.